In this video we will see how to create pivot tables with calculated fields. So here I have taken a table. In this it's basically a sales register. It is sales document number, document date, sales amount and the agent name. So what is the objective of what is our objective in this? So we have to find the percentage of bonus to be given to each sales agent. There are three sales agents in this: Amar, Akbar and Anthony. So we will provide a bonus to the sales agent who has made a sales of more than 3.5 million at the rate of 20%. And since we are nice, we will give others also a bonus of 2%. So first of all, let me tell you how to create a pivot table. So select the data by Control A. Then you can either go to Insert Pivot Table, and that's how you can do, or there is a shortcut also, that is Alt N and V. Yeah, so it will select it will capture the range selected by us. Now you can create the pivot table in a new worksheet, or you can add it in an existing worksheet. So for that you have to set a location for that. So I have selected, yeah, cell I9. Okay, so it's our pivot table created. Now we need sales agent name and the sales amount made by each agent. So this is the amount. Yeah, so now if we can calculate the bonus percentage for this by by copy and paste special. Yeah, so but for this it will be useful for this time only, and whenever the data will change, this table will not automatically be updated, so we do not want to do that. So here comes the use of calculated fields. So now how to use a calculated field? Go to the pivot table, go to the analyze tab, select in calculations field, select fields, items and sets, select calculated field. Now so we will give it a name as bonus percentage. Yeah, so now we have to add a formula. So what will be our formula? If bracket, now we want that the sales made by the agent should be more than 3.5 million. So we will select amount, and for selecting it, either you can click once on the amount tab and insert field, or you can just double click on amount tab. Yeah, so it will be selected. Now we want it to be greater than 35 million, comma, and now what will happen if it's greater than 35? We'll set as bonus as 20%. So we will later on select it as percentage. So percentage is basically 20 by 100, so it's 0.2. 0.2, comma, if it's not more than 35 lakh, so we want it to be 2%, that is 0.02. Bracket close and okay. Now we have got this. Now just select it, go to home and set it as percentage. Yeah, so we have got it. So only Amar has made a sale of more than 3.5 million. It's 3.66 million, so he is getting a bonus 20%. Now let's see if our data changes, what will happen to this calculated field. So let's say Anthony is 3.47 million, so we can add 26,000 to Anthony's sales, and let's see what happens. So this is the sales made by Anthony. Let's make it 50k. Now go to analyze tab and refresh the data. You see Anthony's sales is more than 3.5 million, and this is automatically updated. So that's the use of pivot table with calculated fields. Thank you.